the awesomeness, all this goodness. You're going to love it.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey there, and welcome to vlog 4 and 5, and today I'm back with another breakfast recipe. And today I have two recipes of brown sandwich, and I'll start with the first one. The first one is quite easy. It doesn't involve a lot of things, and I'll start by spreading some margarine on my slice of bread. And for each recipe I'm going to be using 2 slices of bread. So I have the first one there and the second one. Then with me I have an onion and I have some green bell pepper, and I'm going to chop this onion into rings. Then for this one I'm also going to dice it into very small pieces, small cubes. Like that, and these are ready. So for my tomato, I'm going to slice it into very small slices, about 6 or 8 slices. Those are enough. And then for the onion rings, I'm going to separate the rings. Then I'll start preparing it, and I'm going to start with and then I have some black pepper. I'll sprinkle a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt. And then I'll add my ham and place this right here, and voila, we are done. So this is my first recipe, and yeah, let's go to the second recipe. So for my second recipe, it's quite easy. I do not need some margarine. So I'll start with my bread right here, and I'll add some tomatoes. Then I'll go in with my bell peppers, with my capsicum. You can add as much or as little as you want. Then I'm going to arrange my onions. And then a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Then I'm going to add ham or brawn, whichever you want to use. Then here, this is my salad. This is some salad that I prepared yesterday night, and I let it chill in the fridge, so it's pretty cold. And I'll be showing it to you in a recipe that I'll be making sometime later. And then I'm going to spread some here. Again, you can add as much or as little as you want. And yeah, so my salad was well seasoned with black pepper and some salt. And yeah, so it's done. And that's my second recipe. How easy was that? So as you've seen, it was that easy, and yeah, within no time our recipe is ready. And for this one, without the salad, I love serving it with my sauce. This is mayo ketchup sauce, and I'll give it a taste test. Run. I'll upload the recipe to this sauce in my next video, and just try it out. You're going to love it. The flavors in this sauce are just awesome. This sandwich is you just have to try this recipe, and you're going to love it. Then for this one, I'm going to have a taste test for this one. And for this particular one with salad, I love serving it with black coffee. And so this is how I go about it. I'll first take the salad because it's juicy, because it has the salad, and then later I'm going to drink my black coffee. So I'm going to start with eating this. See, the awesomeness, all this goodness. This is just a very easy recipe, but the goodness in it, you're going to love it. Try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you, because from my end it's just the perfect breakfast recipe. Then after I'm done, I take some black coffee and I'm good to go. So as you've seen, it was that easy preparing these two delicacies, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your friends, share with your neighbor, share with your cousins. Just share this goodness, and I'll see you in my next one, hopefully tomorrow. It's a bye bye from my side, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.